Come online, please. Come online. Come online, please. Come online, please. Come online, please. Yeah. Come online, please. Come online. Quick one. Quick one. Quick one. Yeah. Come online. Yeah, this is my real face. Yeah, come online. Yeah. I was in bed now. When I got a call, people were calling me to call police. That Soji Olowoyo said he's coming to my house. This is a message for Soji Olowoyo. I have been out of the fracas and I'm sincerely out. But one thing I hate in my life, I hate when people dare me. Soji, mark my words. Ìṣẹ́jú márùn-ún ló kù. Wọ́n ti bombard yín bí tẹ́ wà yẹn lálẹ́. I swear to God. I just thought of my father. I relaxed. Now, Soji, you now have the guts to make a video to say you are coming to my house. Tí ẹ bá wá sí 77 Clayton lálẹ́. Wàláì kò ṣe ìyá gbogbo yín ló bí yín. Look at me. I'm not calling any police. I am not like people that went to Stratford. Shotiri me, Soji. Soji and the other lunatics, wherever you are, I am waiting for you here. Even you don't need to come to my house. Stay on the end of that road and call me. Soji, you might have been trying with people. Oh, ni ṣe pẹ̀lú mi mọ́. I swear with everything that is related to me. Soji. Oh shit. Please help me to share this video. Let it get to him. Emi Bukky Jesse. Ẹni tí ó mọ̀ mí ó kò mí, ẹni tí ó kò mí ó mọ̀ mí. Emi Bukky Jesse, you are making a video telling me you are coming to my house. Honestly, ọlọ́pàá gan dé, wọ́n máa regret pa wọ́n dé. Soji Olowoyo and other lunatics in that shop today. Tó bá bí yàrá yàrá. I'm sorry, my daddy, I have to do this. Tó bá bí yàrá yàrá. Tí wọ́n bá bí yàrá yàrá. I am saying it from your head to the little one. Tó bá bí yàrá yàrá. Come to the beginning of my street and just call me. You are there. Was like that? I said the shasho bora. Get me not only of money. Is Soji mad? Is Soji stupid? Soji Olowoyo. You know what? You don't need to tell me you are coming. Give me your address, Soji. Give me the number of the hotel you have. If you don't see me there live and direct, call me bastard. Soji Olowoyo, I am telling you this now. Why will you make a video? I pity that Folashade Elokweza. They are making a video cursing people in your shop. You can imagine. They make a video cursing people in your shop. You say you are doing a shop opening. Yet they are cursing people. You can imagine, Soji. Shade, you are having a shop opening. And Soji is there threatening people. Telling them they are coming to my house to fight. And you allow that in your shop. Soji, is it that you give me your address? Just don't let me know the hotel all of you are. You will regret you came to Manchester. I swear to God. Shut. Oh. Shit. I mean, Kumani Shewemo. Manchester. Emily on threatening. Is it because I kept quiet? What is often going? You can imagine. They came for Sister Defuke. Everybody knows I'm out of here. You can imagine that stupid girl. They came for a shop opening and you allow them to be cursing and saying it right in your shop that they are coming to my house to beat me. For what? I have tried enough. People were calling me, Sister Bukky, call police, call police. So just said they are coming to your house. Me, call police. I fit in by Shomo Laje. Call police for where? Where? But it's for Stratford, the Lonjoy. Wallahi, you come and say, if I was there. Me. You think somebody... Let him come now. Let him come. I'm sorry that I have to do this. I have to do this. Sometimes silence is not golden. I'm not going back to Egypt, but if Soji should come to my house. Soji, you don't need to come to your house. Please. But you should come in. Soji, this is a message for you. You don't need to come to my house. Soji Olowo yo. You know they are calling now. Don't need to come. You don't need to come to my house, Soji. Give me the number of where you are. Your hotel and everything. Okay, 1 minute. You can imagine. You can imagine. How can you say you are having a shop opening and they are making a video cursing people in that shop? Oh, I say shop was successful. I am not an hater to your shop, but you should not allow such. They came to open a shop for you. Yet they are there, shop launch. Thank you, Sister Diomowa. They are there cursing people. Now Soji is calling me, making a video that is coming to your house. Soji, just come and try me. You don't need to come to your house. Give me your address. If you don't see me there, call me bastard. I swear to God, you call me. Oh my hand gets a bite. Hey, accident and emergency. Please send this message to him. Tell him not to come to my house. Ever me go address the bitowa. If you don't see me there, let's your try me. Try me. I will tell you nobody comes to my territory and dare me. You will regret it. Soji, you and your cohorts, you and all the lunatics in that nonsense idiot place this afternoon. Just bring your salary. Bring your own jale. Is it because I kept quiet? Well, please share this video. Let it get to him. Do I look like somebody that wants to join all this your rubbish? You are making a video in Folashade's shop saying you want to come and beat me, and that idiot, she's there making that video, and you are saying you are doing shop launch, or you bring all the lunatics there with you to come and be insulting me. Thank you, everybody. I would have kept quiet. You all should do me a favor, please. Anybody that has the address of where they are, please send it to me. Okay? Send it to me. Soji, you might have been trying it with the Celestials in London. You might have been trying it with everybody. Wallahi, I love you all. I'm so sorry I had to do this. Okay? Thank you so much. God bless you all. Thank you. And please, nobody should call me to tell me to call police. I am police myself. Police myself. London. Soji, you won't do it again in your life. I swear to God. Bye-bye. I love you all. Thank you so much. God bless.